In this video, we will discuss the current dilemma faced by the Federal Reserve in balancing its rate hikes with the ongoing banking crisis. Several banks in the US and Europe have failed, putting immense pressure on the banking system. At the same time, inflation remains above the Fed's target, forcing it to consider further rate hikes. We will explore the Fed's options and the potential impact of its decisions on the economy. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel in order to not miss future videos. Also see the description box below for ideas on how to make money online. Let's talk about the Federal Reserve's dilemma of balancing rate hikes and the ongoing banking crisis. Recent events have created a challenging situation for the Fed, which must consider the impact of its decisions on both the economy and the banking system. As we speak, several banks in the US and Europe have failed, causing turmoil in the banking system. This has led some bankers and analysts to suggest that the Fed may pause its rate hikes for now. Billionaire investor Bill Ackman has even called for a pause in rate hikes, citing the turmoil in banks. However, others like Elon Musk are calling for a 50 basis point rate cut by the Fed. Despite the banking crisis, inflation remains above the Fed's target, which puts pressure on the central bank to continue its rate hikes. Federal Reserve officials are expected to announce a 0.25% rate hike at the conclusion of their policy meeting on Wednesday. The odds of a rate hike are currently priced in at 77.5%. The Fed's rate hikes have also undermined the value of treasuries and other securities, which has added to the pressure on banks. To mitigate the impact of the banking crisis, the Fed has offered some banks one-year loans on more friendly terms than the current 4.75% interest rate. The Fed's dilemma is how to balance its rate hikes with the ongoing banking crisis. It must consider the potential impact of its decisions on both the economy and the banking system. The Fed's decisions could potentially exacerbate the banking crisis or hinder economic growth. The Fed has a tough task ahead, and the world is watching closely. Thank you for watching.